My name's Ross Campbell. I'm the Managing Director of Homag Australia. Homag Australia is the sales and service arm of the Homag Group worldwide. At the AWISA 2018 exhibition, we've got a mixture of, let's say, more or less conventional edge banding technology, but the outstanding feature is the automation that we're exhibiting with our automatic storage and retrieval systems, our robotised, manless sawing operation with integrated beam saws and CNC nesting solutions. Homag Australia has been working closely with Airtight, I would say now, for probably 10 or 12 years. We found their system at an earlier AWISA and we saw the quality of the work and we said we're going to use it, and we've used it at every AWISA ever since. It's a good product, it works well, it looks good, and they are able to erect it quickly. AWISA so far, we're halfway through day 2. Day 1 was already a record attendance for AWISA, and day 2, judging by what I'm seeing here this morning, is going to set another record.